joining me for another episode of Going Vegan with Vic. In this episode, we're going to make vegan taco lasagna. This recipe came to me through a Facebook sender, and I'm going to attempt to make it. Now, the recipe that was sent to me was not vegan, so I had to modify some of the ingredients. So, we're going to see how that works. I will post all the ingredients here on the video for you, and you can modify them to fit your taste and or desire. So with that being said, let's get to cooking. And thanks for joining Going Vegan with Vic. Meat substitutes with the peppers. It's time to put everything together. Get your nice 9x13 glass pan. That's how I use. I'm going to be using flour tortillas. I've got my blend of vegan cheese. I use Follow Your Heart and Daya, I think is how you pronounce it. Probably saying it wrong. Hey, send me a check and I'll say it right. But I use that, create my own Mexican cheese blend. They have a vegetarian refried bean. That's what we'll be using in here as well. Make sure you read the ingredients. There was a dish that I went to make that had a substitute chicken product, and actually even tonight with the meat Crumble, that same company, I found out they had egg in it. On the cover or on the front of the package, it says meatless, but on the back it does contain egg whites. So again, for someone who's on a vegan diet, this that product would work. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and layer this, and I will show you how the layers are going to go. While I'm layering, or while you're layering, if you're making this dish, go ahead and step over to your stove, push the bake button, and we're gonna bake this for about 15 minutes at 325. Make sure I didn't leave anything in there. All clear. So we're gonna go ahead and create the layers. Because I'm frying this, let's see what it tastes like. Crumbles. Inside. So there's layers. Two different meat. We just cheese it up. Just real light. Probably should use gloves. It did not melt all the way. It's not fully cool. Okay, so I've topped it off with some mild taco sauce and some vegan sour cream. So I'm going to start with the bean side and just see how that side tastes. It has the meat crumble by the company Beyond the Beef. That's actually good. The other side I didn't do beans, so I didn't hold together as well. But again, I'm going to try that side. Both dishes came out well. So yeah, it's a winner for me. Please take the recipe, make it your own, and don't hesitate to go and add me on all social media platforms, Going Vegan with Vic. If you have any recipes you'd like me to sample, try, see what I like. If I like it, it's going to be send those to goingveganwithvic@gmail.com.